Hey, Bionic Writing Lab fans! Today we're going to dive into the wonderful world of ChatGPT, a fantastic tool that can sometimes feel like a magic genie with a few quirks. But don't worry, we'll teach you how to master this genie and get the best responses possible. Picture this. ChatGPT is like a super talented but slightly clueless intern. It can do amazing things, but it needs clear guidance from you, the boss. The secret to getting the best out of ChatGPT is knowing how to ask for what you want. So, let's start with some basics. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help with all sorts of tasks, from brainstorming ideas for your next novel to answering that burning question about quantum physics. But to get the most out of this tool, you have to be specific with your instructions. For instance, let's say you need a list of historical events for your time travel story. Instead of asking ChatGPT for some historical events, try asking for 10 major historical events between 1500 and 1900. See the difference? The more precise you are, the better ChatGPT can serve you. Now let's talk about the importance of knowledge. You see, ChatGPT is only as good as the data it's been trained on. That means if you're asking it about a subject you know little about, it can be a bit like the blind leading the blind. To avoid this, do some research on your topic before asking ChatGPT for help. That way, you can guide it toward the right answers and avoid any embarrassing misconceptions. After all, you wouldn't want your time-traveling protagonist to end up at the wrong battle, would you? Another tip for success is to experiment with your questions. If ChatGPT isn't giving you the response you need, try rephrasing your question or breaking it down into smaller parts. Remember, this genie can be a little slow on the uptake, so patience is key. In conclusion, using ChatGPT effectively is all about clear communication and a bit of background knowledge. Treat it like a slightly confused but eager to please intern, and you'll be amazed at what it can do for you. So go forth, Bionic Writing Lab fans, and harness the power of ChatGPT.